right, so this is the GoGonova Random Orbit Sander, 3 amp, 6 station, soft grip and shock absorption, 8,000 to 12,000 RPM. Just their logo at the top. Back has a little picture of it with some contact information for GoGonova. Has some warnings and information for you. And this side has the same as the front. Nothing on the bottom. And this is exactly how it came from Amazon. No packaging around it or taped seal here or anything. Let's open it up though, see what we are working with to see exactly what you get with this. Ooh, I like that blue. Look at that. And then a couple of other accessories. That's it for the box. Very nice. So it even comes with some papers here for sanding. And then this is the actual sander. Very, very nice. Got a nice little on-off switch here at the front. And you can control the speed all the way up to 6. And this is made out of very nice rubber. I mean, this thing feels strong, durable. Like, I don't think you're gonna have any issue sanding with this thing all day. I mean, it would be amazing. It also looks to come with a pretty nice length of cord, so that's always helpful. That's essentially it for the GoGonova Random Orbit Sander unboxing. This is everything that you receive with it. Very nice product. I would highly recommend if you're looking for an Orbit sander. This is the alternative to the much more expensive brands. I'd definitely go with this.